I'm Scott Martin. I'm a patient here at KDMC in the Vitality Center. I'm from Ashland, Kentucky, born and raised. My left knee was bone on bone. I knew surgery was in my future. So like everyone, I got really nervous about it. And then I talked to somebody at KDMC and decided it was time to get it taken care of. So I had surgery. This was amazing. My surgery was November 6th, and it was with Dr. Chung, and it was the Mako system, the robot. I got there that morning at 7. My procedure was at 9. I was home at 2, and it's felt great all along. In 3.5 weeks from surgery, I'm a musician. In addition to my real job, I played with a couple bands, and I had 2 gigs 3.5 weeks after having my knee replaced. Felt great, no pain, all good. It gets better every day. The key to it all was pre-surgery, everything the doctor and his team said, and then post-surgery, just following every single word the physical therapists here in the Vitality Center, which is where I've come, say. I was a little nervous about having to have a major surgery, having a joint replaced. But I met with the orthopedic team, great folks, because they answer all your questions. Because how do you want it done? You know what? I'm not the guy to tell you what joint to put in there, but I want to know how you're going to do it. And when we talked about the Mako, the robot, the robotic assistance, I guess in that case, it became very clear that is very precise. We're blessed in this region. We have great surgeons. We have a lot of great medical professionals here. And then when you see those people backed by those type of devices, it makes it even better because the precision is unbelievable. Looking back at this whole process from the time I decided it was time to do this until it was complete, I guess my only regret is that maybe I could have done it sooner. I might have had it done earlier. I'm tickled to death with the results, and the entire team at KDMC. And I say that again because I'm a guy from right here, man. And you don't have to leave this region to go get good medical care. And we have great folks here every day, ready to take care of you. And from the time I got there that morning till I got home that afternoon, and every other day when I show up for physical therapy, I'm greeted by great professionals that have taken great care of me, and I'm right here at home. I'm walking better now than I was before, and I'm just a few weeks post-surgery. So yeah, it's all good. It's pretty exciting.